Yes,
So in the thermodynamics, what we are talking about? First law of thermodynamics, float, that is delta Q is equals to delta U plus delta W. Sign convention, delta Q is positive heat is given to system and delta Q is negative heat is taken from the system. And internal energy will depend on temperature beta. If temperature increases, delta U will be positive, and if temperature decreases, then delta U will be negative.
negative.
And how do you calculate the work done? Work done is equals to your integral of your P into dV, or area
Yes, sir.
under your PV graph will give me the
Yes,
work done.
Yes, sir.
Now work done is equals to your P into dV kabatti. If volume is increasing, then work done will be positive.
Positive.
Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
So work done is equals to positive if volume is increasing, and work done will be negative if volume is decreasing. That's it. Isn't it? I hope right now you got a clarity about your sign conventions.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? When it will be positive, when it will be negative. That is really very important. That means work done by the system, we take it as positive, and work done on the system, we take it as of your negative.
Negative.
Is it clear? I'll write that point here right now. Okay. So if I'm talking about work done by the system, work done by the system will be what, beta? Positive. In the same way, work
Yes,
done on the system,
on the
if I'm
system.
taking right now,
Negative.
on the system, that will be equal to negative. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ఓకే సార్ నేను సేవ కాల్ చేస్తాను క్లాస్.
So this is your what? Work done beta. So work done in this one is how much for me? So work done will be your work done by the system if I'm taking positive. Work done on the system, we take it as of your negative. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And how do you calculate the internal energy, Nana? Very important formula. This is the first law of thermodynamics we need to remember. And second important thing which you need to remember in this one is about your internal energy. Internal energy delta U is equals to your number of degrees of freedom F by 2 into NR into your delta T. Isn't it?
Yes,
We
sir.
know ideal gas equation beta. PV is equals to NR into your
NR.
delta T. So NR
Yes,
into
sir.
delta T can be written as P into delta V beta. P into delta V is NR into your delta T. That means P into change in volume I can write. That means this can also be written as of your F by 2 into your P2 V2 minus of your P1 V1. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
So these are two different forms in which I can write the internal energy, and this is applicable for all the process in the universe beta.
Okay, sir.
All the process, it is always the constant. Make sure of that one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Delta U is equals to F by 2 NRT, or delta U is equals to F by 2 P2 V2 minus of your P1 V1. And what is F beta here right now? Degree of freedom. Isn't
Okay,
it? I
sir.
hope you remember the degrees of freedom right now. If I'm roughly right here right now for you. If I'm talking about monoatomic gases. Okay, so we'll be having translational motion, we will be having rotational motion, and we'll be having the total number of degrees. For monoatomic, 3 translationals beta. 3 translational, 0 rotational, 0 rotation. So number of degrees of freedom for this one will become how much for me? Yes.
3, sir.
Isn't it? So degree
Yes, sir.
of your freedoms. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If I'm talking about your degree of your freedom, that is nothing but of your F. For monoatomic gas, translation is 3, rotation is 0, total is nothing but 3. That means F is equals to 3 for this. The next one is nothing but of your diatomic gas. If I'm talking about for the diatomic gas, for the diatomic gas. Can you tell me? 3 translational, 2 rotational.
Two rotational,
Total number of
5
degrees of freedom will become for me 5. Then last
Yes.
one is nothing but of your triatomic. In triatomic, we are having 2. What are they? One is about your linear and another one is about your non-linear. So first
Yes,
one I'm talking about triatomic linear. Okay. So in
Yes,
the
sir.
linear, if I'm taking right now, translation will be equal to, translation will be 3, rotational will be 2. So number of degrees of freedom is 6. So in this one, non-linear, if I'm talking about your non-linear, for non-linear, there will be your 3 rotational, 3 translational, 3 rotational. So number of degrees of freedom will be equal to how much beta? 6. So this is 5
Six.
kada find.
5, sir. Yes, sir.
This one is
Right.
your 5. Sorry. This one is your. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So ఇది మాత్రం ఖచ్చితంగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. ఎక్కడ పోయినా కూడా you need to keep this one in your handy for doing the numericals participation. One is for monatomic gas, next one is diatomic gas, next one is triatomic gas. Linear ki enni, non-linear ki enni. Is it clear?
Okay, sir. Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it? So this is your translation, this is your rotation, and this is your total degrees of your freedom. ఇక్కడ degrees of freedom వచ్చింది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడే చెప్పేసాను నీకు బేసికల్ కైనెటిక్ థియరీ
Okay, sir.
కూడా ఒక టాపిక్ అయిపోయినట్లే మనకి.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay, and this is applicable for all processes beta.
Okay, sir.
Applicable for all processes. Okay, that is about your internal energy. Okay, now see,
Yes, sir.
internal energy is a state function, but it depends upon only initial and final, and it is independent of your what path. Okay, internal energy is what depends upon what only the initial and final, and it is
Fine,
independent.
yes.
చాలా సార్లు నీకు నీటిలో కూడా క్వశ్చన్స్ వచ్చాయి. Delta U is independent of what path?
Yes, sir. Only depending on
Yeah,
final.
so it is what
Initial.
state function. A state function means it depends upon only initial and final.
Yes,
Depends on initial and your final. Clear?
yes, sir.
Now see, if I take an example for this one, roughly, see, this one is your graph. This is your pressure versus volume. Okay, if I'm going from here to here like this. Okay, so from here to here like this, from here to here like this, and then from here to here like this. This is point A and this is point B. I'm going via path 1, path 2, path 3, 3 paths. So what is the
Yes.
relation between the internal energy 1, 2, 3 and end also? Delta U1 will be equal to delta U2, that will be equal to delta U3.
Delta. Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it? Because for all of them, initial and final are same. But it is
Yes, sir.
independent of path,
Independent
kada?
of path.
It
Yes,
is
sir.
independent of your path. So it is not depending on your path participation, whether you're going from 1 or whether you're going through 2 or whether you're going from 3 participation. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, next one. So this one was about your internal energy. The third point, what do you need to remember in this one is about your work. I told you already how do we calculate the work beta?
Yes, sir.
How do you calculate the work? Work done is equals to integral of your pressure into change in volume.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Isn't it?
P into delta.
Yeah. So if I'm taking the graph right now like this.
PD.
So this is your pressure and this is your volume. So there is a graph like this. So from here to here, area in this one will give me the work done. This area will give me the work done. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Sure, very good. In the same way, if I take like this, this is volume versus pressure right now. And if there is a graph something like this, if I'm going, so this will be the graph right now, something like this. Okay, so at that time, we'll be taking the area of this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, like this. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that will be the relation. I hope you're clear. That means
Yes,
it is
sir.
a
Yes,
path or a process dependent. It all depends upon your path or your process dependent. Like see from here to here, this is an arrow mark and this is your arrow mark. So this is what path dependent. So I can say that work done is your path dependent because it depends upon initial volume and final volume. So I can say this one is your path dependent. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me what are the different processes we know better. Fast ga cheppe sorry. So if I'm writing here processes, so here I'll write here processes and the work done calculations. Okay. First one is isochoric process. Second one is of your isobaric.
Yes, sir.
And third one is your isothermal. అన్ని ఐసోస్ ఒకటే రాస్తున్నాను నేను.
Yes.
Okay. Then last one is nothing but equal to your adiabatic.
Yes.
Adiabatic. Apart from that one, there is also one which is known as of your what? Polytrophic.
Yes.
Isn't it? Now, how do you calculate the work done? So in this one, what is remaining constant? Can you tell me? Volume is equals to your constant. Isobaric pressure is
Pressure.
equals to constant. Isothermal temperature is your constant. Adiabatic, in adiabatic process, there is no heat transfer, but delta Q will be
Okay.
zero.
Zero.
So
Yes.
this one is right now for me what better? It is a random process, I can say.
Okay.
This one is your random process. Anything, any process it can. Okay. Then how do you
Yes.
calculate the work done better? How do you calculate the work done process? Can you tell me? Work done in isochoric, volume is remaining constant. So work done is equals to zero, isn't it?
Yes.
In isobaric process, pressure is constant. So W is equals to pressure constant, but change in volume is there. V final minus V initial. PV is equals to nRT. So this will be nR into your T final minus of your T initial. Can I write like this?
Yes.
Then work done will be equal to how much better? Work done is equals to in the isothermal process nR into T. This one is ln of your V2 by V1. Or I can write this one as of your nRT ln of your. This will be equal to how much for me? Ln of your P1 by your P2. Can I write like this? Because P is inversely proportional to volume in the isothermal process, isn't it? So
Yes.
P is equals to constant, isn't it? In adiabatic process, if I'm writing better, work done will be equal to nR into your delta T divided by your 1 minus of your gamma. I'm removing the minus sign better. ఒకవేళ minus sign ఉంటే gamma minus 1 రాస్తాం.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
So if I'm taking any process right now, for any process, work done will be W is equals to nR into your T final minus of your T initial divided by your 1 minus some X. In some X process అనుకుందాం. V to the power of X. V to the power of your X is equals to some constant.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So this one is PV to the power of gamma is equals to constant in adiabatic process. Clear?
Yes.
Now, what will be the work done in cyclic process, beta? Can you tell me? What will be the work done in your cyclic process?
Sir, starting and ending point are same, so
Same. Yeah.
Zero, sir.
So zero, very good. So in your cyclic process between pressure and volume, if I'm taking PV, so whether it is in a clockwise or whether it is an anti-clockwise. So
Yes.
in the clockwise, now this is in which direction, beta? Clockwise, beta?
Yes, sir.
So this is in a clockwise. So work done will be what? Area under this graph,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? So work done will be what here? Positive. That is very important. In clockwise, it is positive.
Positive.
Internal energy will be equal to zero. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now in this one, if I'm taking right now, this one is your pressure versus volume. But now the graph in this one is right now in which direction? Better anti-clockwise direction. This is anti-clockwise. This is very important to take care
Okay,
of this
sir.
one. In anti-clockwise direction, work done will be equal to negative. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And internal energy, anyhow, it will become zero because it is depending upon the initial and final position same gabati, that will be zero. Work done will
Okay,
be
sir.
positive. In this one, work done will be your negative, but not zero. Clear?
Yes, sir.
That means I can apply the what do you call that one? First law of thermodynamics in this one.
Yes, sir.
So what is the first law of thermodynamics in this one? dq is equals to du plus of your dw.
Yes.
Means at that time internal energy, if it is becoming zero, then dq will be equal to dw. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Next one. Molar heat capacity. Molar specific heat capacity. Molar specific heat. Okay. So this is nothing but heat capacity of a process. It
Okay,
is
sir.
your heat capacity of your process. Heat capacity of a process. That means what? C will be equal to delta Q divided by your En into your delta T. Isn't it? C is equal
Yes,
to your delta Q divided by your N into your delta T. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So N is nothing but here what? Number of moles. N
Okay,
is
sir.
nothing but of your number of your moles. How do you calculate the number of moles? Mass by your molecular weight.
Great. Yes, sir.
Isn't it? The next one is nothing but for isochoric process. If I draw the graph, now tell me what will be the condition for this one, beta? For isochoric process. for isochoric process, what is remaining constant, beta? Choric means volume. So volume
Volume,
is
yes.
remaining constant. So if we apply the first law of thermodynamics, delta Q is equals to delta U plus of your delta W.
Yes, sir.
So work done will be equal to how much for me? 0.
0, sir.
Work done in this one will become 0. So delta Q will be equal to delta U, isn't it? Therefore,
Yes,
delta Q will be equal to, this will become how much for me? Beta? F by 2 N into R into delta T. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Because delta Q is equals to delta Q. Delta Q can be calculated if I know the degrees of freedom. That means molar specific heat at a constant volume will be equal to delta Q divided by N into delta T. Now substitute the value of delta Q, beta. So if I substitute the value of delta Q, CV is equals to F by 2 NR into delta T divided by N into your delta T. Anything is getting cancelled in this one, delta T, and then it gets
Delta.
cancelled. So CV will become how much for me? But a very famous formula
FR by 2, sir.
will be equal to FR by 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear? This is very, very important formula. And what is the general formula? CV is equals to your delta Q divided by N into delta T. And you know how to calculate delta Q? Delta Q can be calculated from the first law of your thermodynamics. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is for your constant volume. The same way we also have what? Constant?
Temperature, sir. Sorry.
Pressure.
Pressure, sir. Pressure. Isobaric, sir.
Also
Baric.
process part affiliation.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, chalo, if I talk about for your isobaric process. For your isobaric process.
Yes, sir.
Isobaric process, what remains constant?
Pressure, sir.
Pressure is equals to constant. So what will be the work done? Work done is equals to pressure into your V final minus V initial Rasama. That
Yes,
is
sir.
equals to NR into your T final minus of T initial or T2 minus of T1. So if I'm drawing graph for the isochoric process, beta, can you tell me what will be the graph here? So if I'm drawing the graph like this, P versus your V. So it will be a straight line what? Parallel to y-axis.
Yes.
Because volume is remaining constant in this one. So if I'm drawing the graph for this one, this is your pressure versus your volume graph, PV graph. So in this one, pressure remains constant like this. Isn't
Yes.
it? So now, if this is your delta Q, delta W, so delta U will be equal to how much better? Delta U will be equal to your number of degrees of freedom, that is F by 2 N into your R into your T final minus T initial. So delta Q will be equal to how much? Delta Q is equals to delta U plus of your delta W. Isn't it? So
Yes,
if I
sir.
write this one, delta U is how much for me? This is your F N into R divided by 2 into your T2 T final minus of your T initial plus work done will be equal to your NR into your T final minus of your T initial. So what I
Yes.
can take common in this one, can you tell me? NR into delta T?
Yes, sir.
NR into your delta T again.
Delta T. Yes, sir.
Because T final minus T initial, I'm taking delta T, isn't it? So that will
Yes.
be equal to your common. So what I'll be getting right now in this one? What is remaining? F by 2
F by 2, sir.
plus 1.
Plus 1. Yes.
This is delta Q. Remote nahi aa gaya. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is your delta Q. Delta Q is equals to your NR into delta T F by 2 plus of your 1. So I can calculate now CP for any process.
Yes, sir.
So CP will be equal to what? Delta Q by your N into your delta T. Into your delta T.
Yes.
Is equals to delta Q will be equal to how much? NR into delta T into this one is F by 2 plus 1 divided by N into your delta T. Again, anything is getting cancelled in this one, N delta T will get cancelled. So this will be equal to your how much beta for me? How much? R will be as it is into
Yes,
this one
sir.
is F by 2
plus 1. Yes, sir.
ఈ డెరివేషన్స్ కూడా అన్ని అవసరం లేదు ఎందుకంటే ఫైనల్ ఎగ్జామినేషన్ హాల్లో మనకు తక్కువ టైం చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది కాబట్టి we need
Yes,
to
sir.
get the results. So it is your R into your F by 2 plus of your 1. ఎందుకంటే ఇది చేసుకుంటే నీ కెమిస్ట్రీలో కూడా ఉపయోగపడుతుంది బేసికల్ గా.
అవును, sir.
అవును కదా? సో
Yes, sir.
స్టేట్స్ ఆఫ్ మ్యాటర్స్ లో
Yes, sir.
స్పెసిఫిక్ హీట్స్ అక్కడ కూడా వస్తుంటాయి మనకి బేసిక్ కండిషన్స్ లో. సో దిస్ ఇస్ యువర్ CP. CP is equal to your R into your F by 2 plus 1. I told you about the specific, it's very detailed in calorimetry for you.
Yes, sir.
Notes into Satyagudu last year, I have been told you they're very detailed related to this one.
Okay, sir.
This formula is very important, and CV is again very important in this one. And delta Q will be equal to your NR into delta T F by 2 plus of your 1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next one. Next one is what process? Isothermal process. Now in isothermal process, what remains constant, beta?
Temperature, sir.
Temperature remains constant. So what will be the internal energy? When temperature is remaining for
Zero,
me
sir.
constant, zero, very good. So internal energy will become for me zero. So work done will be equal to NR into your T. This one is ln of your V2 by your V1, isn't it? That means delta
Yes,
Q
sir.
will be equal to delta W. Delta Q will be equal to this W. That will be equal to NR into T. This one is ln of your V final by your V initial. Can I write like this?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So now what will be the C beta constant at temperature? That will be equal to delta Q by your N into your delta T. Delta T is how much? Delta Q divided by N into delta T is constant. Differentiation of delta will become for me zero. Anything divided by zero will be what? Infinity. That means
Yes,
molar
sir.
specific heat for isothermal process will be equal to how much beta? Infinity.
Infinity, sir.
Very important formula. Need to remember for the theory. And how do you calculate the slope in this one, beta? Slope is being calculated by the formula. Slope is nothing but tan theta. That is nothing but of your m. That will be equal to minus of your p by v. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Very important formula. Slope in an isothermal process. రాత్రి రెండింటికి లేపి అడిగినా కూడా టక్కనే చెప్పాలా. That much important is this slow process and molar
Okay, sir.
specific heat at a constant temperature part of relation. And work done, I think నీకు already తెలిసిందే, so I'm not underlining that one once again. Okay.
Okay,
And
sir.
if I draw a graph for this one, can you tell me the graph for this one, beta? So this will be the graph right now. This is pressure and this is your volume. Tell me which is more and which is less.
Temperature is
Slope is more.
so slope for T1 is more, right, sir.
How?
Sorry, the slope curve is more for T1. Slope is more for T2, sir.
T2. That means T2 will be greater than T1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because slope is nothing but area, kada, in that one.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So that's the condition. Sir, go through check fast go. So this is your isothermal process, and one more process left out. What is that? Adiabatic process.
Adiabatic.
That I'll
Yes,
do
sir.
right now. So by this we'll be completing all the thermodynamics basic processes and basic formulas. Then we can concentrate on numericals. This is our standard formula.
Okay, sir.
चलो
Yes, sir.
so what we have done last, isothermal process.
Yes, sir. Adiabatic.
What is process right now for me? This is numbering adiabatic process. Adiabatic process. In adiabatic process, what is happening, beta? There is no heat transfer coefficient.
Delta Q is
Will be equal to 0. How do you
Yes.
calculate internal energy? Internal energy will be equal to your F by 2 into your NR into your delta T. Clear?
yes, sir.
This is important every time. And calculating the number of degrees of freedom is also important beta. First one better right now if I'm writing in this one. I hope you remember the relation. PV to the power of gamma is equals to constant. When last derivations
Yes.
power transfer
Yes, sir.
PV to the power of gamma minus 1 is equals to your constant. Okay. And third one, T gamma P1 minus gamma will be equal to your constant. Clear? So
Yes,
this are the three formulas which should always be in your mind. PV to the power of gamma constant, TV to the power of gamma minus 1 constant, and T gamma P1 minus gamma is equals to your constant part of relation. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So work done in the adiabatic process will be equal to how much? W is equals to NR into delta T divided by 1 minus of gamma. If it is gamma minus 1, then we need to write negative sign.
Negative, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
C will be equal to how much for me? C is equals to delta Q by N into delta T. Delta Q is already how much for me? 0. 0
Yes,
divided by N into delta T. So already molar specific heat will become how much for me? This one? 0. Very important again this point.
Okay, sir.
E will be equal to 0 for what process? As adiabatic process. And C is equals to infinity for what process beta?
Isobaric, sir.
Isothermal
Isothermal. Yes.
process key C will be infinity because isobaric and isochoric we can calculate the Cp and Cv.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Slope of an adiabatic, how do you calculate beta? This is also very important. Slope of your adiabatic process will be equal to minus of your gamma times of your P by V. Clear? Minus of P by V means what? Slope of what? Isothermal?
Isothermal. Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Gamma is nothing but what? Gamma is known as of your adiabatic coefficient. This one is known as of your what? Adiabatic coefficient. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this one is also very important. Slope of an adiabatic is minus of your this one. Minus of P by V can be written as of what? Slope of an isothermal. I hope you can write that relation.
Yes, sir.
So I need not write it again. You can just have an idea related to that one. How do you calculate gamma beta? Gamma is equals to Cp by Cv. We know Cp and Cv. So this will be 1 plus of your 2 by your F.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next one is about your Cp minus of your Cv is equals to your capital R. Isn't it? This is known as molar specific heat. Are also known as what equation? Can anyone tell me? Mayer's equation.
Yes, sir. Mayer's equation.
Isn't it? This one is known as of your Mayer's equation. Or Mayer's relation, we can say. So
Yes.
gamma value will be equal to how much? Gamma is Cp by Cv, or that is equals to 1 plus of your 2 by F part. So for any monatomic gas, you can tell me right now the value of your gamma.
Yes, sir.
Sure. If I'm taking the graph of all of them in one place, this is your pressure versus your volume. Okay. So
Yes,
one
sir.
graph is like this, one graph is like this, one graph is like this, and one graph is like this. I'm giving the names for this one. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So what does 1 represents beta? Pressure is remaining constant. So iso,
Baric, sir.
isn't it? And 2 will be isothermal.
Thermal. Yes, sir.
And 3 will be adiabatic. More the steeper, it will be adiabatic. And 4th will be isochoric, volume constant.
Yes, sir.
The volume constant. So slope of an adiabatic is always greater than slope of isothermal. You try to remember that one. I'll
Okay,
write
sir.
it point. So don't get confused how to identify 2 and 3. Slope of your adiabatic
Greater than.
should be greater than your slope of your isothermal.
Yes, sir.
Avuna kada? Because here also we got already, sorry, we proved here this one also. Slope of adiabatic is minus of gamma times of slope of isothermal kada.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Obviously, slope of adiabatic is always greater. Slope of
Yes.
your adiabatic is always greater.
Greater.
That's very important to be remembered. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Chalo. Now tell me what will be the work done in this one, beta. Work done in the first process will be greater than the work done in the second process, and that will be greater than the work done in the third process. And work done in the fourth process, volume constant property, that will be equal to how much? 0. Ante kada?
Yes, sir.
In the fourth one, work done will be equal to your 0. So W1 will be greater than W2, W2 will be greater than W3 part of equation. Clear?
Yes, sir.
This is for what? Expansion process, because everywhere volume is increasing, you see. Okay?
Yes, sir.
In the 3 processes, it is expansion. That is nothing but this will be for your expansion process. Expansion process means volume is increasing. Okay? If I take same for the compression, then how do you write it out? If I take the graph like this is your pressure and this is your volume. And if I'm taking some point right now here, beta, this is your initial volume. And from initial volume, it is right now graph like this, one graph. And there is one graph like this, and there is another graph like this. For all of them, this will be your V final.
Yes.
So this is the graph like this, arrow marks. So this will be what, beta? Compression.
Yes, sir.
See, compression, that means volume is decreasing. So for volume, when it is been decreasing, so I'll give the namings for this one. Say, for example, if this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So 1 represents me what, beta? 1 represents me your isobaric. Pressure
Yes,
is
sir.
remaining constant. Na? Number 2 and number 3. 2 will be obviously isothermal.
And V is
will be your-
constant means volume is constant means isochoric, sir.
Adiabatic. Third one is your adiabatic.
Okay. Adiabatic.
Isn't it? Third one is adiabatic. Volume is changing now, but it's for that
Yes,
one
sir,
also
yes,
V1 to V2 it is going. So in this one,
Yes, sir.
magnitude of the work done in the 3 will be greater than the magnitude of your 2, and that will be greater than the magnitude of your 1. Very important relation.
Okay, sir.
Clear? So need to remember this one, because the more you practice, the more better you try to remember. Otherwise, every time if you go for the proof right now, it will be consuming your time, but nothing else will be there right now. So this is
Yes,
the
sir.
shortest way how you can able to revise the complete concepts in a given situation. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next one. Carnot cycle. Okay. So in Carnot cycle, we are having the isothermal and adiabatic processes. I hope you remember the cycle for this one better. This was even an SMR question for your board.
Yes, sir.
Suppose you have not written it. So this is your pressure and this is your volume. So if I'm taking the graph better, this will be one graph right now. There will be one graph like now, and there will be one graph for this one like this, and this will be the one graph like this. So if I'm taking the pressure volumes, this will be point A, this will be point B, this is point C, and this is your point D. We are going from your point A like this, then we are going from here like this, then here like this, and this is like this. Okay. So if I'm going from A to B beta, I'm going from your A to B. What does this represents beta? Isothermal expansion.
Yes.
Isothermal expansion, because volume is increasing. See it very
Yes.
carefully, isn't it? So from A to B, it is that one. If I'm going from B to C beta, B to C, what is happening? Pressure is been decreasing. So it is an adiabatic process.
Yes, sir.
Adiabatic process. Then from C to D, if I'm going from your C to D, that will be equal to what?
Volume is constant.
Thermal what? Compression.
Compression. Yes, sir.
Isothermal compression. And next one is about you from D to A again. If I'm
Yes.
going from D to A, that will be again adiabatic.
Adiabatic.
This will be your adiabatic compression. Clear? And this will
Yes,
be an
sir.
adiabatic process. It will be what? Expansion. Okay, adiabatic
Yes.
expansion. See, B2C is adiabatic expansion, D2A is adiabatic compression part of friction. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So maximum efficiency. So that means we are having two isothermal and two adiabatics. You may ask
Yes, sir.
Carnot cycles, how many isothermal and how many adiabatic? That means two
Two each, sir.
isothermals and two adiabatics. That thing you
Yes,
need
sir.
to remember. Now, how do you remember the efficiency better? I hope remembered. Efficiency is always equals to 1 minus of your, tell me, Q at your lower temperature divided by Q at your higher temperature.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? Our efficiency neta is equals to 1 minus of your temperature at your lower point divided by temperature at your higher point. Lower point means sink, higher point means your source. Ona kada?
Yes, sir.
Lower means what? Sink. This one is your, this one. Have you remembered the formula that heat engine beta? Heat engine Raja, no, sorry.
Yes, sir.
So efficiency formula chepo sorry. Efficiency is equals to your output by your input. First year lo kuda vastundi manaku work power energy la. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this will be your input. Efficiency is always calculated by your output by your input particulation. So if I'm roughly drawing for you the heat engine tool. గుర్తుకొస్తున్నాయి ఇవన్నీ.
Yes, sir.
First one is right now for me. ఇక్కడ ఏముండాలి చెప్పు ఒకసారి. Here there will be a circular shape like this, and down there is again one shape. Do you have bike with you?
No, sir. Yes, sir. Car is there, sir.
Car is there కదా. So car la back side మనకు కార్ స్టార్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది? స్మోక్ ఆ?
Yes, sir.
వస్తుందా లేదా? డీజిల్ ఉన్నా కార్ ఉన్నా ఏదో ఉన్నా కూడా
అవును, sir.
బ్యాక్ కోర్ వస్తుంది కదా. సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఆఫ్ వాట్? సింక్. అవునా కదా?
Yes, sir.
Moment you start the car, how do you start the car? If there is a diesel and petrol, then only you can start the car. That is the source. అవునా కదా? So what is the source for our car?
So the diesel and
Diesel and ante kada. If you bought a
Yes, sir.
Ferrari, if you bought a BMW kept in house without any diesel and without any electric power or without any petrol, will it work?
no, sir. Without it, it
So
won't.
దానికి ఎనర్జీ ఏంది? సోర్సే కదా. So
Yes,
source
sir.
always be at higher temperature. That is nothing but of your T1. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
This is your higher temperature. This one is T1. Then this is at lower temperature. This is T2. This is lower temperature. Lower temperature right as of your TL. Okay. And then the source, from the source is nothing but fuel. That fuel will go for what? Engine. Engine will start. Then the engine will utilize certain amount of petrol and it will convert that one into your mechanical energy. So it will carry you along with the complete car to one destination to another destination. That means this engine is doing certain amount of work. So it is taking the heat right now from here. That is nothing but Q1, rejecting the heat Q2, and it is doing the work done. Isn't it? So Q1 is nothing but what beta? Can you tell me? Q1 is the energy at higher, and this one is nothing but of your energy at your lower. Antena?
Yes, sir.
So Q at higher must be equal to your work done plus Q kada at lower.
Yes, sir.
That means your petrol or diesel is equals to work done by the engine plus certain amount of wastage. Sorry. Isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
So W will be equal to how much beta? Q1 minus of your Q2
Yes, sir.
or QH minus of QL. Anything you can write. Isn't it? So where is input and where is output beta? So this one is your input and this one is your output. Antena?
Yes, sir.
చూడు మనసారి ఇన్పుట్ ఎక్కడ అవుట్పుట్ ఎక్కడ? అవుట్పుట్
The
అంటే
source.
పెట్రోల్ వేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? అవుట్పుట్ అంటే నువ్వు ఇక్కడ నుంచి మీ అమ్మమ్మ వాళ్ళ ఇంటికో మీ నాన్నమ్మ వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి వెళ్ళాలనుకో, దట్ ఈస్ అవుట్పుట్ కదా.
Yes, sir.
నువ్వు బండ్లో కార్ వేయించుకుంటావు, నీకు డ్రైవర్ ఉన్నాడు, కార్ వేయించుకుంటావు, కార్లో డీజిల్ వేయించుకుంటావు, దట్ ఈస్ యువర్ ఇన్పుట్. నౌ ఫ్రమ్
Yes.
దేర్ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు యువర్ రిలేటివ్స్ హౌస్ కదా, దట్ ఈస్ అవుట్పుట్
Yes,
కదా.
sir.
అంటే ఇక్కడ ఏంది? సింక్ అవుట్పుటా, వర్క్ అవుట్పుటా, ఇంజన్ వర్క్ అవుట్పుటా?
So
ఇంజన్
it could
అవుట్పుట్
work
కదా.
out. Yes, sir. Work.
అవునా కదా. సో దిస్ విల్ బి యువర్ అవుట్పుట్. అంటే దిస్ విల్ బి వాట్?
Yes,
వేస్టేజ్.
sir. Work out.
This is your wastage.
Wastage. Yes, sir. Going out is full.
Yeah. That means if I write the efficiency is equal to what I told you just now, in output by your input. Antena?
Yes, sir.
Output by your input. So output is how much right now for me? What is an output? W kada?
Yes, sir.
So it is W divided by what is input? Q1.
Yes, sir.
So efficiency will be equal to how much? W by Q1 hai kada?
Yes, sir.
So efficiency will be equal to what is formula? 1 minus of your Q1 divided by Q2. And then that is equals to 1 minus of your T2 divided by your T1. And then
Yes, sir.
so this one is your T2. T lower means T2. T higher means your T1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Very important formulas. Beta. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that was about your heat engine. Good to question, Aymanna?
Yes, sir.
So work done is equals to Q1 minus Q2. Our total Q will be equal to your W plus of your QL part deflation. You need to remember this engine will be the output. This engine will be your output. Clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
This is your input. That is nothing but of your source. And this one is nothing but of your sink fuel. Clear?
Yes, sir.
And what is left out right now? After this, the last point. Refrigerator.
Okay, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Refrigerator. Okay, so in the refrigerator also same thing right now, isn't it? So if I draw the rough diagram, you see right now for this one, if I take the shape, this one is okay. This is some conditions right now here. Again, from here we are taking some, and from here it is going something out, something like this. Okay, so this one is right now for me what? At higher temperature source, and this will be at lower temperature. So this will be equal to your T at lower temperature. So from where we are taking the heat right now, beta, it will take the heat from where? Lower to, because from colder to higher together. So this will be equal to here right now Q1, that means Q lower, and it is giving out right now here Q to your higher. And the input is being done here right now, because to make the refrigerator work, we will be making the electricity to be given to that one. Then only the refrigerator will work, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And this is your refrigerator. Clear? It will
Yes,
take
sir.
from where? Lower temperature and give it to the surrounding. Onagada.
Yes, sir.
So that one is higher temperature. T lower means right now this one is T2, and T higher means this will be equal to your T1. So if I'm writing the efficiency for that one, so efficiency for this one is represented by beta. Beta is equals to your output divided by your input. Ona? So beta
Yes,
is equals to what is output? Q2.
Yes, sir. Output is yes, sir.
Sure. What is output you see?
Simple.
QL will be output beta. QL will be your output because it
Sir,
is
but
from this one, kada. It is taking the heat from the lower part and
okay,
giving it to the surrounding, to
input,
the
output.
engine.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So Q2 will be the, sorry, QL will be the higher temperature. That means I'll be
Yes,
writing
sir.
here right now what? Q1. And then
Yes, sir.
Q1 na Q2. Q1 kada.
Q1. Yes, sir.
Kada. So the Q lower means right now for this one is right now Q2. And this one is right now for me Q1. So what I'll be right here? Q2. And then
Q2, sir. Yes, sir.
divided by your work done. So that is nothing but W. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is the work here right now. We are doing the amount of work right now. So if I read the equation for that one, W plus of your QL will be equal to, this one is QH. Isn't it? That means what is
Yes,
the work done right now? Work done will be equal to Q8 higher minus of Q8 lower. Q8 higher is nothing but Q1. Q8 lower is nothing but Q2. That is nothing but W. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Sure. So that is about your beta part deflation. So QL is nothing but of your output. So if I'm writing the beta right now for this one, so beta will be equal to your output is equals to how much for me beta? Output is nothing but Q2 divided by your work done. Work done is equals to Q1 minus of your Q2. That means that will be equal to how much beta? I'll write in terms of temperature also. So if I write this one in terms of temperature, I'll write here right now. Beta will be equal to your temperature of lower divided by your temperature of higher minus temperature of lower. Temperature
Yes,
of
sir.
lower I'm representing by your T2 divided by, this is a T1 minus of your T2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So the basic formulas which should always be carried in your mind related to your refrigerator. లాస్ట్ ఇయర్ చెప్పిన నోట్స్ కూడా నీ దగ్గర ఉండాలి చూడ నీట్గా ఉంటుంది అది కూడా ఒకసారి తీసుకొని రివైజ్ చేయి ఫాస్ట్గా ఇంకా కావాలంటే బట్ 99 పాయింట్ ఐ హ్యావ్ కవర్డ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇన్ దిస్ వన్ విచ్ ఎవర్ ఈస్ బిన్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఫర్ డూయింగ్ a numericals 99.999% I have done each and everything related to thermodynamics. I hope
Okay,
I
sir.
haven't left anything, but if anything has been left out, that I'll try to cover while doing the numericals and the graph questions related to this one. Koncham concentration you need to give more on your heat engines and as well as of your refrigerators and processes. The more you write it without seeing, you will get an idea what are the formulas are included in this one. Once try to read it thoroughly 2-3 times, make a part and try to revise it on your own, isn't it? Then only you can able
Okay,
to
sir.
recollect in examination hall. That is very important for me. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So by this one, we have completely revised your thermodynamics part of relation. Anta Isham kada inka miss ayinda chusko sari.
We have finished, right?
Anything connected, which you are getting an idea.
Sir, now we'll have a first year exams, right, sir?
I don't think so, na. Still, they are not yet decided anything kada.
Then they told, right, sir, ante by
October annaru. కానీ ఇంకా there is no much clarity from the center. What do you call that state government కదా?
ante Sabita Indra Reddy said అనేసి
కాలేజ్ కూడా రేపు స్టార్ట్ మండే నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేయాలన్నది ఫస్ట్ నుంచి బట్ టుడే కోర్ట్ హ్యాస్ అగైన్ డిస్మాంటిల్ దట్ కదా 1 వీక్
Yes, sir.
స్టార్ట్ ఇట్ అంటది అది 1 వీక్ పోతుంది ఇంకా దట్ విల్ బికమ్ ఫర్ 4 వీక్స్
Okay, sir. Only actually best is after even the kids get vaccinated, right, sir?
even the kids should get vaccinated and even complete staff and everything they should be getting vaccinated by definition.
Yes, sir. The Moderna, they told is 1 o'clock.
Yeah, even if they are conducted in October means October there is again Dasara.
Yes, sir.
And if they need to conduct also means after Dasara only they need to conduct because any of this is some type of they need to give at least 20 days, 10 days,
20
15 days of time to preparation.
Yes, sir.
Now, anyhow, 1 week you are not going to start the schools as per the government rule, as per the court orders.
Okay, sir.
And the court order has given them to give the clarification in 4 weeks. That means government has to take
By
it
October
in
1st.
4 weeks. That means the September complete will go in the discussion only.
Yes, sir.
They take any decision maybe in September last week, maybe in October first week. So even
Okay,
October
sir.
means there are 12 days or 10 days Dasara holidays. That is happening means that is also even after Dasara holidays one most probably.
Yes, sir.
So I hope you have been covered everything in thermodynamics better. Is there anything left out?
No, sir. Got it, sir.
So last year పంపించాను ఏమైనా graph questions ఉంటే తీసి చదువు లేకపోతే today I will try to send you some questions related to thermodynamics or else I'll send you
Okay, sir.
that material which I sent it you last time also. So from that one you can try to practice the problems related to thermodynamics.
Okay, sir.
మన మెటల్ లో ఉంటే మన you have metal కదా వర్క్ బుక్ ఉంది కదా
Yes, sir, ఉంది.
try to complete level 1 level 2 problems immediate గా ఈ రోజే ఒక 50 problems కంప్లీట్ చేసేసుకో.
Okay, sir.
Even though you have solution copy for that one, I hope so.
Yes, sir. There is, sir, but I don't use that solution copy, sir.
Okay. Well, no, if you get some time discussion or sometime time waste also, you can just take it out and try to complete that workbook questions first because you have the space there itself, now.
Yes, sir.
So you try to completely do the thermodynamics question from that one only. Do
Yes,
any
sir.
one book and do it repeatedly better. Don't try to go for a number of books. If you are doing right now thermodynamics, this is a revision over. Now, when doing the
Okay, sir.
preparation, to keep that workbook and try to do each and every question on your own.
Okay, sir.
If you, and in that space only you try to complete. Then again, when you do the revision, now it will be easy for you to do it on your own.
Okay, sir.
So try to complete the workbook and let me know. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Take care, beta. Tomorrow we'll start doing the numericals on this one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Bye, beta.
Thank you, sir. Bye.